to draw Gothel. We are going to start by drawing the outline of her face. For the left side, we will draw a curved line, and then we will draw another curved line on the right side that connects at the bottom for her chin. Then to finish drawing the outline of her face, we are going to go to the top and draw some wavy lines coming down for pieces of hair and then connect the rest of her forehead. Great job! Now we are going to draw 2 more pieces of hair and connect the rest of her forehead. Looking awesome! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we are going to draw Gothel's face. We will start by drawing the nose in the center of her face. For this, we will make 2 small curved lines. Great job! Now we are going to draw Gothel's mouth. For this, we will draw an oval-like shape that comes to a point on each side. Then we are going to draw a line going through the middle of that shape. Looking awesome! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we are going to draw Gothel's eyes. We will first draw her right one. Towards the right side of her face, we are going to draw a long curved line. Then we are going to draw a straighter line going across, connecting both sides of this. This will be the outline of her right eye. In the center of the line that we just drew, we are going to draw a half circle connected below it. Then we are going to draw another half circle inside of that one, and we will color it in black for her pupil. Now we are going to thicken the top outline of her eye towards the outer corner. Then we will add a few eyelashes. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we are going to draw Gothel's left eye. We will draw it the same way that we drew the right one. I will pause in between each step so that you can follow along. Then we're going to thicken the top outline again and add some eyelashes. Next, we are going to draw the bridge of her nose. For this, we will draw a straight line above the right side of her nose. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we are going to draw her eyebrows. Above her right eye, we are going to draw a big curved line for the bottom outline. Then on the left side of that line, we will draw a small line going upwards, and then draw another curved line on top of that one, connecting to the right side of the curved line. Looks awesome! Now we are going to draw the left eyebrow the same way. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew, our drawings are coming along great! We're all done drawing her face. Now we are going to draw her ears. On either side of her face, we are going to draw a long half circle for her ears. Then connected to the bottom of each ear, we are going to draw her earrings. For her earrings, we are going to draw a small line coming down from her ear, and then a circle connecting to that, and then a long upside down triangle below the circle. Looks great! Now we're going to draw the earring on her left ear. I'm sure your drawings are looking awesome so far. I can't wait to see them when they're finished. Next, we are going to draw the top of Gothel's torso. To begin, we will draw 2 lines coming downwards from her face for her neck. Next, we are going to draw her left shoulder. We will start at the line we drew for the left side of her neck and draw a line going towards the left side of the page that curves downwards. Then we are going to draw a line just like that one on the right side for her right shoulder. Next, we are going to draw a big U-like shape that connects to the middle of each shoulder. Then in between the left side of that U-like shape and her left shoulder, we are going to draw a line. This will be for detail on the top of her dress. Then we are going to draw a line similar to that one on the right side. Then from the outside right line, we are going to draw a curved line going inwards towards that curved line we just drew. Now we are going to draw another curved line on the left side the same way. Then connecting those two lines, we are going to draw a big curved line at the bottom. Then inside the big U-like shape that we drew in the middle of her chest, we are going to outline it right here. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we are going to add a few detailed lines on her chest. Looks awesome, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now for the last step of drawing Gothel, we are going to draw her hair. As we draw her hair around her head, we are going to draw wavy pieces of hair going outwards. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub! I'm sure your drawings came out awesome and I can't wait to see them, so make sure to share on Instagram by using hashtag LearnHowToDrawHub so that we can see them. Also, if this video helped you out, then give it a big like below and make sure to stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. See you next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.